Spike, what the hell are you doing? Spike, you're gonna break it. Hey, Spike. Spike, come here. Come on. Come on. You want to go to Daddy's closet? Do the same thing? Come on. Come here. Look. Look at all of Daddy's shoes. Go. Go scratch your belly in Daddy's shoes. No? You want my shoes? Come. Look. Ooh, scratch your belly on Mommy's shoes. Come on. Go in the closet. There we go. Okay, here we go. Mia, move. Here we go. Spike, holy crap. Spike, you closed the door. I can't film you if the door's closed. There we go. You're making a mess of all my shoes. Okay, are you done? No more itchies? No, don't eat that. No, that's part of the closet. Spike. Oh my god. Okay, I quit. Now what are you going to do? Causing more trouble? Huh? Are you causing more trouble? What are you going to do now? Spike, why don't you sit down? Sit down, puppy. Spike-o. Pumpkin. Sit down. No? Don't want to? Okay, understood. Ah, who are you barking at? You barking at me? It's not nice. Come on. Come on. Let's go back to the room. Come on. Come on. You want to go scratch your belly again? Mia, move. Go, Spike. Go scratch your belly. What? Who's out there? Who's out there? Who's out there? There's no one there. There's no one there. Mia, get off. You're too heavy. You're going to break it. Oh, puppy, there's no one there. Okay, come on. Let's go.